Colorful. Living in unity. This is Bobby.
Nhôm nhôm.
I think our snacks are over. Dada, what are we going to do now? This is Dada.
Blah blah. Bobby.
Ah, Bobby, I know already.
Blah blah.
Let's play pirates. Play pirates?
Huh? No.
I actually wanted to eat some more snacks.
No. Bobby.
Bobby, no more eating. Let's go on adventures around the island and look for hidden treasure. Really?
Huh? No.
Wow, I hope the treasure is a bunch of chocolates.
Blah blah blah.
Now stop thinking about food
Blah blah.
and let's get ready for the game.
Blah.
Let's go! Dada, why are we dressed like this?
Bobby.
Bobby, don't you know?
Blah blah.
Many years ago, there were pirates who came on ships to this island, and they hid a treasure in a dark cave.
No, no.
Dark cave?
Huh? Dada.
Dada,
No.
I think I'd rather go to a small shop and buy some snacks.
No, no. Huh? Bobby.
Bobby, don't worry.
Blah.
You'll be with Blackbeard, the pirate,
Blah blah blah.
the bravest of them all. This is Dede. Hi, guys. What are you doing? We are playing pirates,
No.
and we are hunting, going to find a treasure. Wow, nice. Do you know that I have one?
Blah blah.
Sorry, Dede,
Blah blah.
but we already have enough pirates to play this game.
Blah blah.
We don't need you.
Blah.
Oh, okay. See you guys later.
Blah blah.
Bye-bye, Dede.
Bobby.
Come on, Bobby. Let's go find our treasure.
Blah blah. Bobby.
Bobby, let's go to that side.
No. No.
This is Teacher Orange.
Wait, Dede?
Dede, why are you sad? It's because my friends are playing pirates. But they don't let me play with them. But why, Dede? It's much better when you all play together. I am so tired. And I'm so hungry. Dada and Bobby, why don't you allow Dede to play with you guys? It's because he can't play pirates. Really, Dede? You don't know how to play pirates? I know, teacher. And look, I have a map showing where the treasure is.
No.
You have a map? I can't believe it. We were walking more than 1 hour. Why didn't you tell us that you had a map before? Because when I was about to tell you guys, you didn't let me finish. Is this true, Dada? Yes, teacher? Well, children, this whole situation reminded me of a Bible verse in Psalm 133. How good and pleasant it is when brothers live together in unity. But teacher, Dede and Dada are not my brothers. I don't understand this verse.
Bobby,
the Bible is teaching us that all who believe and obey Jesus are part of the family of God. Therefore, we are brothers and sisters in Christ Jesus. Now I understand. That's why God is very happy when we're all playing together. Yes, Dada. We must not exclude people, but unite. Because we love God. So, Dede, can we play pirates now together?
Dada! Bobby! Dada!
I am ready. Let's go. We are rich! This is chocolate?
No.
Chocolate?
Blah, blah. Blah.
This is chocolate? Children, today we learned that the true treasure is to live in unity with our friends. This is very pleasing to God. So, children, until next time.